In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for CRM, a task that's quick and convenient. Clickup is a dynamic tool that can streamline your customer relationship management process, and today I'll guide you through setting it up. We'll start by heading over to the Clickup website. You can easily find it by typing clickup.com into your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you'll be presented with different login options. For simplicity, I recommend using your Google account. Click on Continue with Google and select the account you want to use for Clickup. This step helps to integrate your existing Google tools seamlessly with Clickup, making your workflow even more efficient. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Clickup space. Here, you'll spot a plus icon, usually positioned prominently within your dashboard. This is what you'll click on next. The plus icon is your gateway to creating new items and organizing your work. After clicking it, select Templates from the menu that appears. This section houses a variety of pre-designed templates that can simplify your setup process immensely. Instead of building your CRM from scratch, you can leverage these templates that are designed to be highly effective. In the search bar, type in CRM. This will filter the templates and bring up the most relevant options for managing customer relationships. Scrolling through the results, you'll want to choose the Client Success Collaboration template. This template is an excellent choice for managing client interactions and ensuring your team stays aligned on client success goals. Once you've selected the Client Success Collaboration template, click on Use Template. This will integrate the selected template into your Clickup space, setting the stage for efficient CRM management. The beauty of Clickup is the ease with which templates can be customized to fit your specific needs. Now, with the template fully implemented, you can start adding new cards or tasks to the template. This feature allows you to track client interactions, set priorities, and manage your tasks with ease. The ability to move cards between stages will enable you to visually track progress, so nothing falls through the cracks. Additionally, don't forget to set due dates and assign tasks to specific team members. This will ensure accountability and clarity within your team, making your CRM processes more transparent and effective. And there you have it, your introduction to using Clickup as a CRM tool. With these steps, you can optimize the way you manage and interact with your clients, offering you the ability to improve efficiency and collaboration across your team. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Clickup.